All right, here we are with Cara's puppies, and they are 3 weeks old now, and they're starting to get more mobile. We had some of them walking on the table while we were taking pictures. Oh, there's Cara come to say hi too. So let's take a look at who's who. We've got Lita first. Lita's the one with the stronger champagne markings. Yeah. Little Lita, let me go in closer maybe. Oh. Hello, little Lita. Sweet girl. All right, and then we've got Lilo, who has some kind of black markings and maybe a little brown mixed in there to make her a tricolor. Yeah, pretty girl. Pretty, pretty girl. And then we've got our little boy, who is Link. He's a little guy, down just a little lower. There you go. All right. Little Link. He's working on his nose pigment, isn't he? And then we've got Luca. Who we affectionately call Glasses here, because she looks like she's wearing big black glasses. She was one of the ones up walking around, and then Lolo was definitely up walking around. She was in a mood to be adventurous while we were taking pictures.
White.
Yeah, she's cute.
How cute.
Yep, our only pure white one in the group.
Yeah. Oh,
Oop! So she's leaning back. Oop! There went your little guy. There went Link.
okay.
Link, where are you going? Huh? Where are you going, you little adventurous thing, you?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, we'd like to look around and see what's out there.
Okay. What
Yeah?
are you doing here? What are you doing? What are you doing here?
Those little tails going. See, this is slippery stuff here. We'll have a hard time. We can't get any traction.
No,
They're like, oh, this feels weird.
Yeah, they don't like.
Yeah, they're like, oh, we don't know about this surface.
They don't like. Start going back. Okay.
Oh, see, we didn't like that cold, hard floor. Look at Cara sitting so patiently watching, looking at you. Aww. So looking at her mommies. She loves you. Oh, look at that. Oh, how sweet is that? Look at her.
Yeah, she's pushing my hand to
Pet her. Yeah, Kiwi does that to me. Okay, well there you have, we'll go in real close one more time. There you have Cara and her beautiful babies, 3 weeks old.